and to export proudly.
Africa's development narrative is shifting from foreign aid to local ownership. This week, Nairobi plays host to the 2025 Africa Venture Philanthropy Alliance AVPA Annual Confrence, bringing together investors, philanthropists, and development leaders from across the continent. The three-day forum aims to unlock domestic private investment to drive inclusive and sustainable development.
Right now, one of the problems we have in Africa is too much of our money coming to solve our problems is foreign. And then that comes with its own complications. It comes with terms and conditions sometimes that are not probably very suitable to us. It also comes with a cost of capital that we probably can't afford. So this is why context is very important, and only local capital can have that context. So one of the things we are actually trying to do here is to see how we can unlock more domestic capital to come into these spaces. And we're trying to work with big capital providers like foundations, pension funds, governments to see, can we be a lot more deliberate in trying to find local capital to come into the space of impact where we're using it to solve our problems, but also trying to see, can we explore some of the other very Afro-unique pots of capital.
Now, Kenya is tightening the screws on accountability as the country officially adopts